Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, and welcome to Junk Journal July. For day 25, our prompt is tea diet. So let's get out some tea and our junk journal and let's dive in. To be honest, if you know my videos, might already know that I'm more of a coffee person, so I didn't have any tea dyed paper ready to use for this prompt, and I decided to kind of cheat a little bit for today's prompt and use the coffee dyed paper I have added on an earlier day to my junk journal for today's prompt. So here I'm flipping through it and searching where was it. Here it is. So let's use the backside of the coffee dyed paper. It's a bit more fainted, so it would fit the tea theme a bit more. And I just thought the watercolor effect on it would also fit the theme very, very well. And I had to think a moment about what I wanted to do for today. And I wanted to keep it really, really simple, to just do a little illustration with a quote and just have some fun with spilling the tea. So, to say, that's just what I came up with for today, and even though it's really, really simple, I'm happy with how it turned out, and I'm also happy that I did stick with it and did create something for today, even though I'm feeling a bit burnt out at the moment for the challenge. I'm hoping that in the final stretch, like the last week, my spark is coming back or something. Let's hope for that. We will definitely keep pushing through, and we will find something each day to create and have fun with. I think it will be great, and we will create something beautiful this July and get this junk journal really chunky and filled up. I really can't wait to have this bad boy all filled up and every page filled with beautiful, inspiring things. So today's video is kind of a nearly real-time art journal with me and our junk journal with me. I hope you enjoyed today's video and spending some creative time with me. How is your junk journal July going so far? What was your way to spill the tea today? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm absolutely love to hear your comments and all your lovely feedback and support. Thanks so much for all the love and support on this little series and challenge. I couldn't do it without you. thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little creative time with me, and if you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative journey and many more creative adventures coming in the future, hit the subscribe button down below. Until then, see you tomorrow.